Now we will display ads in home page. Const get ads asynchronous function. We will need collection from Firebase Firestore. And also db from our Firebase config file. So const ads ref equals to collection db collection name, and now query auto imported from Firebase Firestore. We will pass ads ref and we will order by published at descending order. Order by field name published at and descending order. Let's bring get docs from Firestore. Await get docs and we will pass query. So const add docs, and now we will run for each on this add docs. Let's create local array ads, and here ads.push. We will spread out doc.data, and also we will add id doc.id, and let's also import use state, and we will create ads state. And after this for each set ads, and we will pass ads to this set ads. And now in use effect we will call this function. So right now we only have one ad, which is here. Div with class empty5 and container, and h3 recent listings. Div with class row, ads.map, and we will get an ad. And for this div I will add a few classes. Call sm6, call md4, and let's also add call xl3, and then margin bottom 3. Key will be add id, and then we will render add card. Import add card from components / add card, and we will pass add. So here is our ad. Let me create another user, and I would like to test this toggle favorite functionality. So this ad is not marked as favorite for this user. Mark favorite. Now there are two users. Remove favorite, user is gone. I have created a few more ads because now we will work on filter and sorting. So user will be able to filter ads by category and sort by price high and low. So here before H3, let's create a div, filter by category, and then select with class form select, and options. First one will be all. Vehicle, property, and electronics. And let's create a state for filter. Filter, set filter, use state. And here on select, on change, it will give us event. So set filter event.target.value. So let's control its width with 200 pixels and margin auto to center it. Okay. And next, sort by. So let's duplicate this div. And we will also read state for sort. So it will be set sort. And first one will be latest, which is by default. Uh, and then price high, and price low. Okay, so now let's wrap these two divs within another div. And here I will add a few bootstrap classes. Deflex, justify content center, and on medium screen, justify content, MD between, align items center, flex wrap, margin bottom 5, and also a form custom form class. So this is how it looks. Now here we will refactor our query. So first of all, let q, and it will be q. So if filter not equals to empty string and sort by not equals to empty string, then we will perform this query. to display ads most recent first. Else if filter not equals to empty string. So it means filter is either vehicle, property or electronics. And in that case, we will add a where clause. Where, and we will check category equals to filter. So if you remember, every ad has category field. This one. And then else if sort equals to high, this value, then query will be order by price descending. And if sort is not equals to empty string and sort is not high, then it means sort is low. So in else, price ascending order. And we will pass filter and sort as use effect dependency so that this method gets called every time there is a change in sort and or sort or filter. So here let's try to filter by vehicle. So it's not working. Let's check console. And here you see we have to create an index. So just click here and create index. Now I'll pause it here and we'll be back once it's done. Okay, so composite index is enabled now. Let's retry. So here we got the result only for vehicle category. And now let's try electronics. Now only electronics. And let's also check sort. So looks like price low, sort by price is not working, and I think I know the reason. So here you can see price is a string. It's in quotes and also in brackets it says a string. So it should be number. Then price ascending and descending will work perfectly. So in cell, when we are adding data to Firestore, let's convert it to number. So price, number, price. Now it will save as number. So for now, I will manually update these ads. Type number. What was the value? 50. Type number. Okay, I will pause it here and manually update all these ads one by one. Okay, so I have updated all the ads. So now if you can take a look, there are no quotes around number and also in bracket it says number. So let's try it now. So sort by price low. Now you can see low to high 50, 55, 60, 2 million. And if I change it to high to low, price high, 90 million, 7 million, 3 million. Now this sort is also working. And for latest, it will fetch this first query. Here in home, this is our default query when no filter or sort is selected.